What Jaclyn eats. And this is what Jaclyn has for lunch. We have a peanut butter and jam sandwich. The jam has real fruit pieces in it. Got a fruit by the foot, a cutie, veggie sticks, Reese's Pieces cookies, bread dippers, and a chocolate milk. Put everything into the lunch bag. I like to lay the sandwich on the top so it doesn't get smushed. As well as the bread dippers and the veggie straws. Don't forget, when we get to 700 subscribers, I'll be issuing out two $10 Dollar Tree gift cards, one for new subs, one for comments. If you're a new sub, you must comment you are new and be a U.S. resident. If you comment, you must already be subscribed and be a U.S. resident in order to qualify for the $10 Dollar Tree gift card giveaway. I hope everybody had a wonderful Halloween. I have a new Dollar Tree haul up. Go check it out. It has clips of my kids in their costumes and them getting ready for the festivities in my village.